1.
Create 3D mesh. Object. Grab a single door. Export mesh. Back on home page. Repeat, but select a double door. Export mesh. Open double door. Rename pieces for ease. Delete bones. Save.
2.
Open single door. Append double door. Object. Select all meshes. Append. Hide all but the main door. Select the double doors and adjust them to fit. Delete parts of the double door that's not needed.
3.
Select part of original door. Select same part of new door. Weight paint. Transfer weights on new door part. Move the UVs slightly over. This will make it easy for us to grab them later. Repeat transfer for all door parts. Repeat UV moving for all door parts.
4.
Remove parts from the original door you don't need. Then select new door, select old door, join. On the UV side, open required texture, keep UV on, match your new UVs to the texture's placement, or transfer the texture. If you want to know how,
Find that in the description.
do this for all door parts. Save. Once done, merge all parts to Studio Mesh _0. Save as shadow. Back in Sims 4 Studio, re-import on all LODs. Customize. Done. Guess we close the door on that one.
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.